Okay, hi, thanks for coming back for part two. This will be just pretty quick, but I wanted to talk to you a couple things about some of the, well, just one change I'm making for um, module two. And so I'm going to go into, hopefully you can see this. This is our, obviously our loud cloud, and I want you to go to, the main forum, and in the main forum, then I want you to look at the DQ1 for Module 2. I've made a change to DQ1, and that is right here. So we're still talking about a mission vision, but instead of posting it here, I want you to read this information from me first, and this is the information. So you have to research missions and visions before you post. It's really, really important to me that you understand what you're doing with the mission and a vision. Your mission and your vision are about your vision for technology integration in your classroom, and really ultimately your vision for how your students, how you see your students leave your classroom. What kind of learners do you want them to be? What kind of people do you want them to be, based on our 21st century, I guess, life right now. So it's about your students, and the mission is, how are you going to get there? How are you going to what are you going to do in your classroom during the school year in terms of educational technology that is going to support your students' learning and in using educational technology, but more so making meaning of their world. So how's educational technology going to support that? Anyways, so I want you to research it. I've got a couple of one place here, and then just research. Go to Google. Right here I'm saying go to Google and research educational technology missions and visions, and you can see some examples. Just look at them. But yours are going to be one sentence each, and no more than one sentence each. It just needs to be a short statement. Okay? Then you're going to go here to the link there takes you to this. It's a collaborative spreadsheet where I want you to read what I have here. And I know it starts, my vision is that blah, blah, blah. And my mission is, I have the sentence starters there. You don't necessarily have to start them with my mission and my vision, but I just put them there so you could kind of think in a context. But the mission needs to have the by statement. My mission is to have a collaborative environment by, what are you going to do to make sure your kids are collaborative? That's just a bad example, but it's the how. The mission is the how, so you have to have a by statement in there. Anyway, read these directions in the yellow, really, really important, and read this, and then this is where you're going to post. So Cheyenne and Sandra have already posted, and then what you're going to do is make 3 comments, not 3 in one, on one person, but you're going to take 3 students that we have in our class and comment on 3 different ones. Make sure you put your name at the end of your comment so I can count those as participation. Anyway, so read this instruction and then do what this says. Okay, read all the way down. Then this is information here about the classroom technology plan and what we're going to do on the paper. So I want to show you quickly the paper. This is the template that I gave you, and so I want you, when you upload finally on Sunday night, when you upload your final draft of your mission and your vision, I want you to upload it on this piece of paper, following the directions that I have in the forum post right here. Okay, but that's what I want. Every time you upload, from now on, with your module work, you're going to add it on this piece of paper and then upload that entire sheet. So you're going to build your plan as you go. I'm going to send it back with feedback. You're going to change it, and then you're going to add the next section, and you're going to send it to me. And so next week I'm going to see your mission and your vision and your communications plan when we do that next week. So then the next week I'm going to see your mission, your vision, your communications plan, and then your instructional technology plan. So anyways, I want you to build your plan as we go on that template, and I'll give you instructions as we go. Okay? I think that's all I wanted to say. Just read the instructions really closely, and let me know if you have any trouble or you need to talk with me, and confirm that you saw this. Okay, have a great week.